What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be putting tint on my 07 Escalade. It's just going to be this eyebrow piece right here. Let's see how this goes. It's a cheap little kit that I bought online. It's a DIY kit, so let's see if it's really DIY, and let's get right into it. So all you're really going to need for this kit is some soapy water, just a lint-free rag, and a squeegee. So the first thing we're going to do is take your soapy water and we're going to clean the area. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Get that cleaned up. Alright, so the first thing I want to do here is open it up. See what actually comes in here. It's nicely protected in there. I don't know if you can see that well. Nice. Has a little instruction manual, which is kind of cool. Look and feel cool. Has a little installation instructions here. Okay, I'll tell you right now, they're not brittle, they're very delicate. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is going to record very well. I'm not very happy with what's going on here. Not the right fit. I'm gonna try to make it work here. So first, what you're gonna want to do is take the tint off of this backing, and as you're doing that, you're gonna want to spray your solution. Out here. Yeah, not very good at all. Not very good at all. I'll tell you that right now. So I might have to cut some of this off. This off right here already. Looks okay, but it's an Escalade. You want it to be perfect. So there it is right there. I don't know if I'm gonna end up leaving this on there because it looks like crap. Don't like it. The thing was, it was supposed to be pre-cut. I didn't have to do anything to it. It was ready to go. Doesn't look like that's the case here.